All right, today we're gonna turn a quarter from a silver color into a copper color. So we're gonna pour a little heat into this little bowl, and then there's my quarter that I saved. I'm gonna light this torch, and then I'm gonna heat this quarter up until it is red hot. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. There we go. All right, so now it's red hot. I'm gonna drop it in that heat solution, and it's gonna sit there and it's gonna bubble. It's gonna bubble some more, and then it's gonna keep bubbling until it almost stops. Then it's gonna fizz. Bam! Right there. All right, it's finished. So now I'm gonna remove it from the little bowl, and it's copper. Look at that. Copper. Thank you for watching.